What is CPA marketing? CPA, also known as cost per action, is a method of marketing where commissions are earned based on specified actions by potential consumers. This may include actions such as completing a survey, taking a trial offer, or buying a product. CPA marketing is not a new concept or idea. It's been around for decades as affiliate marketing, also known as performance marketing, but it is only just now taking off as its own discipline because of one thing: the internet. How to start CPA marketing. Step 1. Decide on a niche. When you decide to begin CPA marketing, the first step is to identify and pick the niche or sector that you wish to target. Step 2. Look for a CPA marketing network to join. After you've chosen your niche, the following step is to locate the ideal CPA networks. CPA Grip and CPA Leads are the two finest suggestions I have for novices. Step 3. Locate an offer. After you've decided on a niche and a CPA platform, the following step is to select an offer to market. Free tools to design your landing page around the CPA offer. There are 3 free tools I recommend for building your landing page with no coding skills. They are GetResponse, ConvertKit, Benchmark Email. Now that you have an idea of what CPA marketing is, please leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. The full article will be linked in the description section below. See you in the next video.